Want to know how to log out of Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily log out of Raid so that you can just simply switch account or log in with another account or just simply play as a guest. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you need to just simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends game and you should be under this interface right here. It's on the main menu. So we have also created similar videos on how to play and how to tutorials with Raid Shadow Legends, so make sure to watch it. So on the top left side, you should be seeing your profile right here with your username on it. So again, just simply like that. And now once you have created your username, here you should be seeing your player profile. And right below player profile, you should be seeing player ID. And again, just simply like that. And now once I've selected that, here on the rightmost side, you should be seeing save your progress where you should be logged in. So right now I am completely logged into Facebook. So what you can do is you can just simply select disconnect Facebook or any other account that you have linked with, or on the bottom I can also see logout, so you can just simply select that. Now once I've selected logout, I should automatically be logged out right here. Super simple and easy. So you can just simply select any one of these. So that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped and you should automatically be logged in and you should start. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.